We've got a firm favourite here at Blue Anchor Leisure. This is the ABI Ingleton. This is the third one we've had delivered within the last 2 weeks, and it's the only one we have available. It's priced at £67,995. So we have gone for the champagne CanExel cladding on the outside. We have gone for a lot of the additional extras, so I will point them out as we're going around. So we have the washing machine and the dishwasher. We also went for the composite sink. Stunning electric fire in the lounge. Gone for the sliding patio doors. We've also gone for an extra foot on the width. So this is a 13-foot wide holiday home and 40-foot long. Really fill the space in here, guys. You've got the king size bed in the master. You do get a bedding pack with this holiday home so that the bedding will match the curtains and the furnishings. Ensuite shower room. So it is residential specification, guys, meaning once you pop on your heat in there, the heat will stay in and the noise will stay out. So it does help with both heat and noise with the extra insulation there. Really beautiful. So it's available to go on any Blue Anchor Leisure park. That's why I'm here, to help guide you through and make sure you pick the right caravan, park and pitch for yourself and your family to enjoy your getaways. I hope you like it. Thank you.